Welcome to ERC Technology Day. Our project is titled Engine Oil with RRBO, and it focuses on reusage of drained engine oil for circular economy. By developing engine oils formulated with 10 to 25% re-refined base oil (RRBO) for our CV and PV segments. Engine oil consists of three key components: base oil, additives, and polymers. Base oil is produced by refining crude oil and forms the majority of the oil and provides lubrication. It can be Group 1, Group 2, or Group 3. Additives enhance properties such as wear protection and detergency. Polymers help in maintaining viscosity across different temperature conditions. Once engine oil is drained from a vehicle during servicing, it is called used oil or black oil and is considered as a waste unless re-refined. In India, only 13% of the used oil is re-refined. The rest is either burned as fuel or disposed of through landfilling. This leads to significant environmental and resource wastage. Our project focuses on the reclaim, refine, reuse concept, ensuring that used oil is re-refined and brought back into the lubricant cycle. In India, oil re-refining is a three-stage process. Dehydration removes water and lighter fuels. Distillation separates the oil from contaminants like engine wear metals and isolates usable fractions. Bleaching removes black color present due to impurities like carbon deposits. So, this Indian re-refining setup is very basic and is capable of producing only Group 1 quality base oils. Upgrading their technology to produce Group 2 and Group 3 base oils by using hydro-treatment units requires significant investment, which they are reluctant to make as currently there is no market for it. Rather than waiting for this shift to happen, we took a proactive approach ourselves by starting the RRBO development. As a leading OEM, our initiative in this space will drive the entire ecosystem forward by creating demand and encouraging re-refiners to invest in upgrading the technology. We took a structured 6-step approach for RRBO development. The formulation was designed keeping in mind that currently only Group 1 base oil is available from re-refineries. So, 10% RRBO was incorporated into BS4 engine oils. Once Indian re-refineries upgrade to produce Group 2 and Group 3 RRBOs, we will also start developing BS6 engine oils with RRBO. A detailed oil blend study was conducted, and the properties of finished oil with RRBO were found to be at par with virgin oil. API simulation tests confirmed that the performance of finished oil with RRBO matched that of virgin base oils. Key bench tests were conducted to evaluate oxidation stability, deposit formation, and corrosion resistance. Results showed that RRBO performed satisfactorily. Further validation was carried out at the engine level. And also at vehicle level, and RRBO-based engine oil performed well in real-world conditions. We are set to launch BS4 engine oils formulated with 10% RRBO by April 2025. Additionally, our development of BS4 engine oils with 25% RRBO is on track for April 2026 launch. Once Indian re-refineries upgrade to produce Group 2 and Group 3 RRBOs, we will also start developing BS6 engine oils with RRBO. We are also actively encouraging major oil companies to support re-refineries in adopting robust quality processes. The government has introduced GSR 535 mandating RRBO usage, but its enforcement remains limited. With this development, we will also ensure future readiness. In summary, by driving this initiative, we are not only pursuing our circularity targets, but also creating a sustainable ecosystem for re-refined base oils. Thank you for your time. Have a fantastic tech day and enjoy the rest of the stalls.